the impudence, the effrontery to tell Obisi don't talk about a gun, Obisi don't talk about Mahama, don't talk about what
now what is it radio? Now just a gun and no because Kwasia ba upia bontina them lady dear lady Gyimiee
and I want to be can identity Ghana ka obenya toilet rosika
ekuya poki who fi and no better bro sra o so no pa no do nasi akonwa so na de nku afa oturum o pese o ho efe odwan to we gine na better ni panim
Kelvin me pa chaw oba de one ne kasa yen ka Kwasia da bia me kasa your insults doesn't make sense Vimle de kasa no or come based on facts because who say atete in journalism ye Kelvin Taylor one atete in journalism because school now ko am say school papa.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GHFM Bros. Patch of baby, I will be subscribe na share the tumpa na onsa akabi. Vim lady, Miami nipa. If you are popia, formerly of Adam TV, say wakoshe US Atlanta, Charlie or Bonnie Juma Kakaka. No, said every time yes, government and Kwasia some person too much. And we are saying yes, patapa, yade mra na wakawa efana beti. Patapa, yade mra na wakawa efana beti. NDC for ya omudi sika ko jejina electoral commission for so omo yomi emra adane no ene omo kasa na say ofu say Gyimiee na you go scot free the law will take its course if what Gyimiee you make sure say Gyimiee na wu Gyimiee they are lost now people lady say massa mo among some ba teaching conform will take time there are laws there are procedures ultimate ganjam say me too kwai minya na me pani aka me too kwai asa papa basata o say wan no akoko stop me hwe na so mo wo ho ye kwete ni abem kai
enti na nkofo no ye be pam chief justice and ye be teaching nkofo atumasa no say law professor ono kwantumi atisi MPP for atumu under president Bubo what the hell thing akọ court na ye touch nkofo bi say ye akọ airport you are go do you have the goddamn right to stop somebody who put on a valid passport put on a valid ticket from traveling unless you have a court order. Me mo beyond we didn't try Chelsea bet me airport. What the hell? Ooh, that idea. Ya mean so I am go that I oh. They have a teaching way ko teaching mine. Why not continue? Do you have an order? Do you have a police report? Do you have a sexual bench warrant or a sexual warrant? You don't have. You have not even filed any complaint with anybody. Say, "I'm teaching for police." Busa Tamil so buy a rolling to catch us one teaching for to be teaching Obiano. Because the law does not work in your anus. The law does not work in your stomach. The law certainly does not work in your mouth. The law works within the jurisdiction of Ghana. Who need to me? I want to me kochi hute. Let's now full soldier now confront that down. And the other kochi and oh evidence. Opuni case, you starting opuni case. 8 years ago, opuni case now. Opuni case, you starting opuni case now. Opuni ako one and opuni ako fertilizer. 8 years. Well, show down. Oh, the old guy say, yeah, you look like kochi mo bi na da so kochi.
Kwasia samkwa mo ba na bibia gbe obi kwa the baby unless you have a genuine case and you have to go to court and what get warrants before you can stop me from traveling. Now me Hopeson that stupid man no can be and then nobody should go out. Are you an NDC person? Stupid man. Because NPP has kicked you out, you are saying stupid things. Your time will come. Your time will come. Now more say because there's a change in government, so there are laws. The law of Ghana is still working. And the law of Ghana is not MPP NDC. They are Ghanaian laws. It's more the law will catch up with you. That's what Vim lady is saying. Only na Kelvin tell her hard on Vim lady also Kwasia ba. Ne okay can be na yekweti.
The impudence, the effrontery to tell Obisi don't talk about a Ghana, Obisi don't talk about Mahama, don't talk about what
now what is it radio? Now just a Ghana and no. Because Kwasia ba upia bontina them lady, dear lady. Gyimiee.
And I want to be Unko sika na de chichire Ghana ka obenya toilet rosika.
Ekuya poki. Oye hu fi ene wa betra bro chire sra. O so ya no pa na do na si akonwa so na de nku afa oturum. O pese o ho ye fe. Odwan to we gine na betra ni panim.
Na ye be kokko chichi we kokko chichi hwan. Why na kokko no? Do you have an order? Because the Lord does not work in your anus. The Lord does not work in your stomach. The Lord certainly does not work in your mouth.
Pete. Ekuya poki pete. Hu fi.
So you be when deep politics e chia che say me my reporting about politics.
Ade time ye ne ye radio a che Kwasia what radio so che le kire so journalism.
Akonya na nkasa no akonya na esi wo no presidential akonya e easy o. Ukotena so awu adempa se dey na u kotena so ye nti obi ayare ne becho. Ya e se popo biribiri no. Unya kotena akonya no so pe ye nti obi abecho. But I like the advisor Carlos Ahinkra, former MP for Sema West, or the NDC, no, don't make the mistakes. Entin and Governor, you better pamu Chief Justice, and you better teaching corporate to master. No, you're law professor. I'm not going to be to see MPP for one to more under President Gubo. What the other thing you call court and you touching for say, you call airport. You are going. Do you have the goddamn right to stop somebody who put on a valid passport, put on a valid ticket from traveling, unless you have a court order? Me mo beyond be didn't try Chelsea bet me airport. What the hell? Woo! That idea. Ya mean so I am covered that I oh. They ever go teach you what teach you why? Why not continue? Do you have an order? Do you have a police report? Do you have a bench warrant or a search warrant? You don't have. You have not even filed any complaint with anybody. Say, I'm not teaching for police. Busa Tamil so buy a rolling to catch us one teaching for to be teaching. Because the Lord does not work in your anus. The Lord does not work in your stomach. The Lord certainly does not work in your mouth. The Lord works within the jurisdiction of Ghana.
Kelvin, me pacho. Obadi one ne kasa yenka Kwasia. Debia me kasa, your insult doesn't make sense. Vimle de kasa no, or come based on facts. Because who say atete in journalism ye. Kelvin Taylor, one atete in journalism. Because school now ko em say school papa. Because all the time no who can some no Kwasia one can one. You can't go forward. Me what asem no can everyone e good o. Me tie ni pa. But asem no can na fe one divert asem no. Why do you insult Vim lady? Asem no can. Okay fact, if you don't agree, what we do what we call a counter what? Reaction. Don't insult. You are all journalists. But Kelvin, you sure say, or a journalist, Papa Bia. One what one of the bomusa. It is some say you could be DHS as well as Batcha from Bruce. Also, subscribe my video to now as I can be Manuel.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.